Welcome in this new video tutorial. Someone in the video I made where I explained how to rename files using the bash asked how to add a prefix. So we are going to do this, to do some manipulation in the name of file. In particular, we are going to separate the name of the file, intending the name of the file without extension. So we are going to separate name of file and extension, and so we can easily manipulate the file as we want with the pattern that we prefer. So let us do the first step. I'm in the bash using Ubuntu 19, and I'm in this directory, and I have some file. I want to remove any file, and I use this, and I don't have anything inside. And the first step I do is this in my pattern. In this case I want to create 10 file, so I do a simple do, and this I do attach. This is the variable e, because the loop is for the I variable. I create a file with extension, and I put a simple done, and here we go. We created 10 file. As you can see, we have this 10 file, and we want to add a prefix, for example ABC, to the file. So is enough simple to do this. Let us take this, but we change the pattern. In my case, I take everything, and instead to do attach, I do initio, without, of course, the extension. And this is the loop showing the my file name, including the extension. I do a simple trick in this way. I want to take the file name, so I do an assignment to the f name, and I take my variable. In my case, I take e, and I want to take the in my case the file name. So I take my total file name that is inside I, and I use the syntax double percentage dot star, and this is the variable without extension. So let us try f name, and there we go. We got the file. Now we want to also to get the extension, and so we say x equal to, in my case, dollar. I take the I as always, and I use this syntax double dash and star and dot, and I do initio of the x, and of course I got the extension. So I can do a simple trick. I want to show the file name and the extension, so let us do this. And I want to add a prefix, so this is the prefix. Here we go. This is the my variable. In my case, I called f name, and I want the x. And there we go. Something is missing, as we knew. And we have this wonderful pattern. We got the file name as the file name, and we added the prefix, And our goal now is to do a real renaming, and in this case is very simple. Instead to do initio, I'm going to do something else. I'm going to do mv moving dollar the total file to this pattern. So let us try, and here we go. Now we have really added a prefix to the file, and this is a great way of manipulating the file. And now we want to remove the string. Let us try. We want to remove a pattern, and so let us do the same as always. Let us do for e in any pattern, any file. So in this okay, do, and in this case let us do initio e, done as always. And here we go. This is simple initio, but now we want to get a pattern to remove that prefix underscore. So what I do now is I take this echo, but I do a simple replacement inside the string. So the first I take the variable is containing all my full name /, and I say what to search. In my case I want to search prefix, and here we go, underscore. This is the prefix. Let us add the / and to replace with nothing. So we remove, and there we go, we remove it. And now what is the next step? Is simple. Do instead to do a simple echo, we do a moving mv the file, the entire file name to this new string file name. Let us try, and here we go, and we return practically the starting point. So thank you for watching. I think we said everything to manipulate string inside file. I consider this a good way to do renaming and to do complex manipulating, because we can separate extension and so on very easily just with the basic bash commands. If you like the video, just subscribe my channel and put a like and share my video, and if of course if you want, do a little donation in order to grow the channel. Thank you for watching, dear friend, and we shall see the next video. Bye.